when you spoke about the yo-yo, where your body um is addicted to a certain type of pattern that has
Yep.
been happening for years.
Yes.
Um, what if my body is craving some that, but my and then it's like in the day I'm clear-minded and I feel I'm in my vibration and I feel okay.
Yep.
I feel good about it. And then at night it's like I don't know if it's me tricking my emotions or my body going to that addiction of like wanting that negative pattern of coming back again, separating, coming back, separating. It's like
If
that
you're
emotion of adrenaline of like, oh, we're coming back together again. It's like we
Yep.
made it work, but not really.
If you're doing it all every night, then you're addicted to it.
Mm,
You may be spending the day in this positive thing, but if you need your fix at the end of the day, that's still an addiction. So it's a matter of staying positive, not going into that negative space at night over and over and over again until you just don't go. At first, it has to be conscious. You have to control it, control your thoughts, your emotions until it just becomes natural.
I see. So practice it.
Practice it. Stay in those positive feelings as long as you can every single day until it's just who you are. There's never going to be a point where you're constantly positive because that's just being human. So it's not a matter of eliminating all negative emotions. It's about becoming addicted to the positive ones. So when you go into the negative ones, the addiction pulls you out quicker. So you spend less time in the negative.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks for playing. Let's give Movie some love.